us record this. Good. It is in recording. This is the 4th day for our training, and basically we said that by the end of these sessions, someone will be able to be, has to be able to pick his or her own trade. Someone must be able to go to the market, analyze something depending on the indicators that we shall have learned, and then someone picks a trade. You put in a trade, you trade, you make profits, you get out. Why are we doing this? We are trying to make sure that people stop losing their hard-earned money while sending the money to platforms. There are a lot of platforms. There are a lot of investment platforms where they promise a lot of money. They promise they promise a lot of profits. They tell you are going to earn 2% every day. You are going to earn 3%, 5% every day. Yesterday, someone was approaching me, telling me there is a powerful investment platform where you earn 30% every after 24 hours. Then I asked her, what is my money exactly going to do? And then she was like, it is investment. Then I asked, investing where? Then I was like, please show me where is the investment going? If I send my money there, what exactly is my money going to do? So if you don't ask these people those questions, so if you don't get a clear answer of what exactly the money is going to do, never put there your money. Never put there your money. Just know that that one is a scam. And I'm telling you, it is a scam. Now they say you invest after 24 hours, you can remove your money. The fact that you are sending your money away, it is going to be lost. It is going to be lost. Learn how to trade for yourself. Have your money in your control, in your exchanger, in your Binance, in your Bybit, in your L-Bank, in your any exchanger where you can keep your money. In your Huobi, in your Coinbase, in your Index, Kraken, Bybit, OKX, name it, different exchanges. They have markets, they have live markets, and you can trade there from there 24 hours, 7 days a week. At the end of these trainings, we shall also show you other ways that you can trade with ease, even if you don't want to do it 100% manually. I will show you that one. So yesterday, I just want to tell you, on Monday, it was introduction to trading. We looked at a candle and its parts, anatomy of a candle. On Tuesday, we looked at types of markets. We saw we have 3 types of markets. Yesterday, I introduced you to using the resistance and support line. Using the support and resistance line. And we said that the market respects those lines or those areas so much. And I have to repeat, I said that at the support area, we find there a lot of buying orders, whereas at the resistance area, we find there a lot of sell orders. So we said the market respects those areas. And now, for us to learn more about those support and resistance, we need to look at that application, that tool that is going to help you find out how these ones can be done. Someone says, hello, Madam Harriet. Stay. Yes, hi, how are you, Mpanga? How are you, Mpanga? I am here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Allow me share my screen, and then we go. I know each and everyone went to your Play Store or your App Store, for those ones who are using iPhones, and then you got what we call the TradingView. I've kept on saying this since last week. I was telling my friends that go and download an application called the TradingView. You go to your Google Play Store, and then you put there, and you put there, and you put there. It is called the TradingView. TradingView application. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This is the TradingView. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Now for me, because I have it, I downloaded it, I have it, I installed it, and now it is just telling me that I can only open. and allow me to open, and then I show you. This tool is very, very good for someone who wants to trade like a professional, because it has a lot of features. The people who made this application, they have made it as per the modern way how markets can go. They put in a lot of indicators that can as well make trading so easy. That can make trading so easy. They have made it like that. They put a lot of indicators. They put a lot of things. They put in a lot of things to help you have trade as an easy way, as an easy thing. Okay. Okay, allow me to remove all the indicators so that we can be having a clean, okay. I'm removing all these ones. Today I've been following this one. The volume spread analysis, that one I can also remove it so that we can have a clean what? A clean. Okay, this is the chart. This is my chart. I have been following this coin called this coin called SXP. Now, for you who is just new, who has just downloaded, if you have just downloaded your TradingView, first and foremost, when it comes, it is going to show you different things when it is new. If it is new, let me see if I can as well have a brand new. Let me see if I can have a brand new so that we can, so that we can have the right things that I want. Okay. I can log out this one. I can log out that one. So as soon as you have opened your TradingView, this is how it is going to look like. A new TradingView that has been, the one that has been just downloaded. This is how it is going to look like. It is going to be showing you indices. We have indices. It will show indices. It will show stocks. Okay. It will also show futures. There are people who are trading futures. All these ones are financial markets. Futures. Then we are having Forex. We have people who are trading currencies, the other currencies that we know, US dollar, European, it is called the euro. We have the GBP, that is the Great Britain pound. Then we have the JPY, that is the Japanese yen. So this is Forex. So they put for you a few pairs. Now let me first explain what a pair is. In a trading, we are always, most times, we are trading one currency against another currency. So that is what we call a pair. Now, when you look at this one, we are having a EUR USD, that is euro against a US dollar, that is Forex. Another one is GBP, British pound against a US dollar. This one is US dollar against Japanese yen. So that is a pair. Okay, that is a pair. So on this training, basically, we are not going to look at Forex too much. We are going to look at crypto. We are going to look at crypto mostly because that is what we are looking at. Now in crypto here, they gave us Bitcoin stroke US dollar. We have Bitcoin stroke USDT, and then we have Ethereum stroke US dollar. So if you are just having a new TradingView, these ones are going to be there. Now, what can you do in order to set up your TradingView very well? You can as well say, I don't need the indices. And then you just click on a certain one, one of them. It's a one like this one. I want to click on this one. So I click on it. It brings the delete button. The delete button is here. I delete it. I don't need it. Oh, it is telling me I need to log in first. Oh, how do I log in? Let me log in. Let me log in. Let me log in. Let me log in. This is a new account. This is a new account, a TradingView account. For this one, at least I have some. Let me first remove them. When you highlight it and then you delete. You highlight and then you delete. You highlight and you delete. You highlight and you delete. Highlight and you delete what you don't want. Now, after you have deleted what you don't want, what is going to happen? You can say that I have a list of coins, a list of pairs that I want to follow. Okay, a list of pairs that I want to follow, depending on the exchange that you are going to be using to trade from. Okay, depending on the exchange that you are using to trade from. I am deleting these ones because I want to show you practically. I want to show you practically. I want to show you practically. Okay. Now, there are no symbols. So when a new account that has been created, of course, you'll create it with your email, just with your email. And then it will be showing you that the watch list there are no symbols in the watch list. What are you going to do? You click on the word add. You click on this word add symbol. When you click on it, it is going to bring for you the search bar. The search bar is here. So when you go to the search bar, you are going to put there, I always want the BTC. I'm going to put BTC stroke USDT. This is the, we are trading with USDT because it is what? It is a stable coin. So we are trading the USDT against the other coins. So I'll always look for BTC stroke USDT. BTC stroke USDT. Now, because for me, I am using a Binance, so I am going to look for BTC stroke USDT, which is for Binance. Okay, as I'm not seeing it. Okay, let me go. Let me put another one. ADA USDT. ADA USDT I use for Binance. I use for Binance. You people, you can see. I have to choose for the one which is for Binance. So because I am trading with Binance, so you'll find there are different pairs. There is ADA USDT KuCoin, ADA USDT OKX, ADA USDT Coinbase, ADA USDT Bybit, ADA USDT MEX, Kraken, BitGut, and then other exchanges. You will find pairs which are showing different exchanges. There is Upbit, there is Get.io, there is Woo, there is Bichu, there is OKX. There are very many. There are very many. So you need to look for what you want. So for me, I am choosing for Binance and I add it. Okay, I am going to keep on going down and I am going to be choosing those coins that are having Binance because they are the ones that I want. Because they are the ones that I want. They are the ones that I want. I see AVAX. I'm seeing AVAX USDT, but I want for Binance. I want for Binance. I am seeing for Binance. Okay, I can as well say now I have finished the ADA. I want now Acro. I want Acro USDT, which is for Binance. It is here. I have added it. Okay. Then I can as well say I like Solana so much. Solana USDT, and then I look for it for Binance. I add it. What coin? Which other coin do I need? Yesterday, people were saying BEC USDT for Binance. I add. Then BEC has a sister. BEC has a sister, which is Cake USDT. I add for Binance. Someone can as well say, now there are people depending on what you are doing. Now on this Zoom call, I have people who are trading using the Royal Q robot. Now for you who is using the Royal Q robot, you can just go to your Royal Q robot and then get a list of all coins which are there, a list of currencies that you are trading. Come and add them in the watch list here. Make a watch list, have your watch list. Have your watch list and then say, I want BTC, USDT for Binance. It is here, I add it. Then I have Ethereum. So I'm talking about those who are Ethereum, USDT, those ones which are so popular, that are so known. That one I've put it there. BNB is so known, BNB, USDT, BNB, USDT. For Binance, I need it, and then I have added it. Which one? Make it, mention them. Please go to the chat room and mention. Please go to the chat room and mention some coins. AVAX USDT. AVAX USDT for Binance, it is there. I have put it there. Then I have Polkadot USDT. I am giving just examples for Binance. I am putting for Binance because I am using Binance. So that's why I'm putting Binance. Then I have ZEC USDT. You have ZEC USDT. And then I can add it. Today I have been looking at SXP USDT. And for Binance, I added. The other day, someone was talking about, someone was saying, Madam Harriet, check for me Gala USDT for Binance. I added. The other day, someone was saying, let us look at LTC, that has the Litecoin, that has just last month they did their halving, and people were so optimistic. So we are waiting for it to shoot up. We have XRP Ripples that won a case last month, so I need to have it on my list. Which one else? There is Pepe. USDT. People are looking at making a lot of money from this Pepe in the next bull run. People are looking at it. Then what else? Dogecoin, Doge USDT, and then I put it there. Which one? Uniswap, Uni USDT, and so on and so forth, I may not finish each and everything, but the main thing I wanted to show you how you can add the coins there. Okay, how you can add the coins there. Okay, how you can make a list of currencies that you are going to trade. That is the trading view. We are just starting. We are just setting our trading view. If you are with me and you are somehow where we are, you have understood something, please go to the chat room and give me a 1. 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 If you are with me, you are following, please give me a 1. Someone said BAT, Comp, LTC, Gala, XRP, Tron, that is TRX, Gala, Dot, Doge, 1. I see 1. Someone has given me Codro 1. Okay. I think people are following. People are following. Can I continue? Friends? Can I continue? So if we are to continue, yes, let us continue. Let us continue. I take a screenshot of those ones. Okay. Someone has been saying, Van Cooper, Madam Harriet, there is a way my trading view has been behaving of late. Whenever I want to add a pair, what is it saying? Tell us what it has been saying. I didn't follow the start to set up because your line was breaking. Oh, okay. Your line, my line was breaking. I'm going to continue. I'm going to say it again. Patrick is saying you are legit. What do you mean, Patrick, please? What do you mean? You are legit. Who is legit? Please clarify on that one. Clarify on that one. Okay. David, my leader David from South Africa, is saying he came in a bit late. He did not see how to set it up. I said after you have downloaded and you have installed it. When you have just installed it, this is how it will look like, and then it will need you to put a watch list. And a watch list, it means you are adding a list of currencies that you want to be having or you want to be following. And I said it is very, very simple. When all these pairs are not there, it will be showing you there are no watch list or there are no symbols in the watch list. And then for you to start adding, you just click on the word add symbol. Add symbol, and then you say, I want to add comp. You add lists, you add currencies depending on the exchanger that you are using. Now, for me, I am using Binance. That's why I am putting comp USDT for Binance. So when you say comp USDT, you are going to see very many pairs of comp USDT, but from different exchangers. I remember I said exchangers are digital banks. So when I look at these banks, I see the first one is Binance. I am seeing OKX, there is KuCoin, there is Polo, there is BitGet, there is MEX, there is Bybit. I see Coinbase. I see very many. There are very many. But because for me, I am using Binance, I add the pair which is for Binance because that's what I want to follow. Okay, that's what I want to follow. So if I want to add another one, someone will say Tiara X Tron USDT for Binance, I add. What else did I put? Which one? Bitcoin Cash. Last 2 days ago, it gave people a lot of money. Bitcoin Cash. People who are here, just know that whatever the Bitcoin is doing, it's what the Bitcoin Cash is doing, that BCH currency. What the Bitcoin is doing, that's what the BCH is doing. I don't know whether they are sisters, but what the Bitcoin exactly is doing is what the Bitcoin Cash is doing. If you want to prove, let me show you. Let me show you. If you look at this one, if you look at this chart and how the candles are, okay, how they are looking like, what this? Look at this. I just want to show you that what the Bitcoin is doing, it's what the Bitcoin Cash is doing. Look at this, okay? If you have copied that one, you have looked at it, have you seen it? Let us go and then look at what the BTC is doing. Exactly what the Bitcoin Cash has done is what the BTC has done this evening. So what the Bitcoin is doing is what the Bitcoin Cash does. I think they are sisters. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? It's the same. They are almost doing the same thing. They are doing the same thing. This evening, the Bitcoin has moved from around 27. It has moved from 27 300 to 26,136. So it has retraced almost 97% of the movement that it made the other days when it moved up. Which day was this? Which day it was this? On 29th August. The movement that it moved upwards, it has retraced now almost almost 98%. Because when we look at this movement, from here to here, and then the drop down from up here where it has gone, it has retraced almost 98% when we look at this. Just a small portion that has been left. Okay, that's not what I want us to look at today. We are setting up a trading view. We are setting up a trading view. Please, David, go to the chat room and let me know if you are with us now, where we are. Go to the chat room and let me know if we are on the same page with you. If we are on the same page, then I continue. Please, David, go to the chat room and let me know if you are on the same page with me. Oh, Patrick says, Leader David, I don't know now whether you are with me. Van Cooper, I don't know what the Bitcoin, what your trading view is doing. So if it is misbehaving, please just go to the Play Store and update it, because there was an update that was done 2 days ago. Go and update it. Patrick says, I meant that you are loud and clear, rather easy to understand. Okay, happy to have you. Van Cooper has said, they are saying, watch more in your watch list. Add more symbols to your watch list to keep an eye on price movements up to 1,000 symbols per list. With okay, just click later. Just click maybe later, and you continue. David says, please, I don't get where to click and add those pairs. Okay, I don't get where to click and add those pairs. Mpanga says, I'm with you, we are together. TDF3TC says, yes, same page. Yes, same page. We want to help David to be on the same page, like where we are. David, I am getting back to you. I'm getting back to you. I don't want us to rush to go to another thing before people understand where we are. I want us to go step by step. I want us to study something small, but when it is getting into people's heads, and then people are somewhere. Now, when your trading view has been opened, you have installed it, you are going to find the word watch list. You are going to find it there. This word watch list, you are going to find there. And then you are also going to have add list. Okay, you are going to find add list. All when you click on this drop down here, these three lines. No, I don't need those ones. No. Let me first delete these ones so that David can see exactly what happens. What happens when there is nothing. When there is nothing. I want us to study something small, but when it is entering into our brains and then it gets stuck there. I want by the end of our sessions, whereby each and everyone, at least what we have studied is on your fingertip. Even if they just get you from the bed, you can still remember the resistance and support. It is drawn this way and that way. The trading view, I do this and that. I want people to learn something small, but when it is getting into the brain or in the head, in the medulla oblongata. Oh my God, I've remembered a certain word that we studied in school. I want whatever I am teaching to get into your medulla oblongata. Let it sink into your medulla oblongata. Ever since I studied that thing, it is today that I have used that word. It is today that I have used that word. I want things to enter into your medulla oblongata. Now, David, this is it. When a new trading view has been opened and you have created an account, this is how it looks like. It will be showing you watch list and then add list. or even you are going to find when it is showing different things that can be found on there. You will see indices, you will see Forex, you will see gold, you will see stocks. So for those ones, you just click on them, just highlight and delete. Just highlight and delete them. Remain with what you want. If you are doing Forex trading, remain with Forex trading pairs. If you are doing cryptocurrency trading, remain with the cryptocurrency pairs. Now, for me, I am doing cryptocurrency. So I just click on this word. I just click on this word, add symbol. When I click on it, it brings for me the search bar. In the search bar, that's where I'm going to write what I want to look for. What am I going to look for? I am looking for pairs of USDT, but within the Binance. So I am going to put BTC USDT, and then the pairs of BTC USDT, they are going to come from different exchanges, and I'm going to choose for Binance because that's where I trade from. I click cross, or I close that one. I have added it. I put Ethereum USDT. For Binance, I add another one, BNB USDT. For Binance, I add. Okay, I continue. What else? Ada. Cardano USDT. This one is going to give us a lot of money in the next bull run. I have added it. What else? Solana USDT. Solana USDT for Binance, I add. What else? Pepe. I said Pepe. Pepe is going to give us money in the bull run. Oh, Pepe is going to give us money. Pepe is going to give us money. Doge, we cannot run away from Doge because Elon Musk, the richest man, is the owner of this Doge. There are people who earned a lot of money in SHIB last bull run, SHIB USDT. And then I look for that one for Binance. What else? Which other one? Comp USDT. Comp USDT, and then you just get it and then you write it there and then you add it there. Now, for those ones, I said, for those ones who are using Royal Q Robot, you can copy all the pairs that you are having in that application and then you add them on your watch list. David, I think now we are together. Some of the coins, of some of the currencies that I have added, they are here. Now I have made my watch list. David, tell me if you have understood we are on the same page. Tell me in the chat room so that we can continue. TDF says, later help me check my settings after the lecture. It has refused buying and selling. It's 2 days now. I am not talking about trades. I am talking about the TradingView today. Today, I am talking about the TradingView. I'm not talking about trade settings. When it is time for trading settings, I'll show you when to buy and when to sell, but not today. Yes, it's good you have laughed at yourself. Mabu, I am good to go. Thank you. Good. I am okay. Mabu, do you recommend us to trade with Royal Q? We are going to talk, my leader, Mabu. Don't worry. In this class, I am giving you only legit things. Anything that you hear me mentioning about, I am not talking about return on investment. I'm not talking about whatever I mention about it. It's legit and it is beneficial. Mabu, we are going to talk after this presentation. Don't worry. I dedicated myself and my time, my energy to teach you people, and even my money. Did you know that I dedicate also my money? Now, you people, you are here, you are using my time, energy, and money. So I always talk about those things. I always talk about those things. That in life, before I continue the TradingView, in life, learn how to build a system. When you build a system, Hey, let me teach you this thing before we continue. Let me teach you this thing before we continue. System means save your self time, energy, and money. That is, if you are building a system, you are building something that you want to save yourself time, energy, and money. How are you going to save yourself time, energy, and money? Because you are going to be using other people's energy. You people now, you are using my energy. I am talking, and I am talking. You are using my energy. Learn how to use other people's time. You are using my time. I have dedicated my time to teach you. And then you also use other people's money, OPM. You are using my money because I paid for the Zoom. And then you are also, I'm using your money. You are also using money. I put data. You also put data. So we are gaining from one another. We are building a system. You are using other people's energy, other people's experience, other people's time, and other people's money. We are using, it is a draw. I bought data, you also bought data. I paid for the Zoom, and now you are listening to me. I need to continue. Let me continue. David, please tell me in the chat room if you have understood so that I continue. I don't want to go to the next page, the next thing when you have not understood. David, do I still have you? Do I still have you here? I'm not seeing him. David, he disappeared. So if he has disappeared, let us continue. Clive Grant, I see Duncan, I see iPhone. I have now see 2 iPhones. Jerome, the first iPhone he told me is Impanga. Then the next iPhone, please go to the chat room and tell us your name. Mark Vid, please tell us your name and where you are. Nom, Nomvula, happy to see you from South Africa. Ogwang Nathan, my leader, Otai Abraham is here. I have Philile Mbanjwa. She's from, I don't know whether it's a she or a he, but he's from South Africa. South Africa. Today I'm having very many people from South Africa. Only that I've not seen Rani. Alzi Junior. I don't know where you are from. Alzi Junior, I don't know where you are from, but I am happy to see you. Happy to see you. Hello, everyone. Clive Grant, happy to see you. Okay, let's continue. And set our trading view. Now, we are having our tool. We have it, okay? We have it, and it is telling me, sorry, an error has occurred. I don't want errors. Okay. Now, the first thing that you are going to do after you have set in what you want to use, okay? What you want to use, I want you to click like one of them, like this. I have clicked on the Bitcoin. When you click there, it is going to bring you a lot of things. So we need to learn, we need to understand, we need to learn about these things a little bit. It has add alert. If you want to add alerts, you want maybe every time the Bitcoin reaches this price, please alert me. You can set those things. You can say, please alert me. You can cancel, you can add, okay? If you want to add, you can look at the timeline, the time frames, and so on. You can go down. Always when you go below the coin, below that currency or that pair, when you go down, you are going to find their news. You are going to find their news. There is this news which has come at 9 p.m., 2 minutes after 9 p.m. That is 2 minutes after 8 p.m. in South Africa. And then they say JP Morgan eyes crypto travel with the new trademark. Then another, the ApeCoin code rally, why additional losses could persist. Bitcoin links back to 26, triggering 100 million in liquidation, especially those ones who are trading futures. Then Dogecoin and Bitcoin became latest additions to Robinhood wallet. So in other words, when you come to the trading view, click on one pair and then you move down, scroll down. you are going to find a lot of information, a lot of current news, a lot of latest news about different currencies. Okay, so sometimes people always ask us, where do you get that? Where do you get that information from? You are so informed about different things, about currencies, about cryptocurrencies. This is where we get the information from. It is here. It is always shared. It is always latest information. Latest information. Okay. If we have finished that one, we have gotten to know the news about a certain currency. Now, if you want to go to the chart, or even before we go there, let us first look at this. When you come here, the currency, it is going to be telling you the volume, how much money has gone through that currency that day. Now today the volume, it has been 40.386,000, 40,394,000 US dollars. Then previous, it is this one, and then it is also showing you the open by the day. When the day opened, the Bitcoin was at 27,299, and then the previous was also that one. So you can also see those ones. It can give you the day's range. It can even show you that this coin in the day today, it has been between 25,900 and 27,500. So you keep on monitoring a certain currency as you want, without even bothering so much to look for very many things. You can click on more, and then you see more information about a certain currency that you are following. It is always shown. It is always shown. Now look at this one. It is showing you the market open and where we are. It can show you key statistics. Average volume has been at 33.112 thousand, whereas the volume has been 40. So you can look at the performance. It can even show you that the Bitcoin has been performing in 1 week. It has been like that in 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, a year, and then it can show you the technicals, and then it can also show you the strong sales, the neutral, the buy, and then the strong buys. So for today, as we look at the Bitcoin, what has been dominating has been strong sales. When you look at these technicals. So if you want to follow a certain coin, before you even go to the chart, you will always get information from there. So nothing beats someone who is having information. When you are having information, there is no way how people are going to deceive you. There is no people are going to lie to you. So those people who show us platforms, can they show us this information the way I am showing you? Can they always show you that if we are going to trade, this is where we are going. This is what we are going. We are going to trade this, and we are going to enter from here, and then we get out from there. Now, we have gone to the chart. Someone is going to ask now, Madam Harriet, from the watch list, how do I go to the chart? When I click on the coin like this, okay, I have clicked on it, always come and click here. Come and click on this box. Okay, come and click on that box like something. When you click on it, it is going to bring for you the chart of that currency, or the chart for that pair. Now for this one, I am looking at the Bitcoin. And then first of all, the first thing you can look at is the time frame. The time frame is always here, down here, down here, down here. I don't know whether you can see the time frame. It depends on what you want to follow. So when you click, like now for me, I look at the 4-hour time frame. When you click on that 4 hour, it is going to give you the date range. 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, year to date, 1 year, 5 years ago, and then it can also give you all. Okay, it can give you the intervals if you want to check. If you want to check the performance of the coin in intervals for seconds, they are here. For seconds, they are here. Okay, for seconds, they are here. If you want minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, it depends on what you want to check. You want to look at hours, okay. You want to look at days, days, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or you can if you want to look at a full year. If you want to look at a full year, you continue. It is 12 months. It means if you want to check at how the Bitcoin has been performing in a full year, 12 months, you will always find it there. Okay, so with that one, we have finished. Time frames, where are we going to get it from? It is here. It is here. Okay, now another thing, now since we are going to get into lessons where we are to look at indicators that we use. Indicators that are things, they can be lines, they can be shapes, they can be things that we can as well look at, and then we get to know that this is where the market is going to go. That's why we call them indicators. An indicator is a sign to show you. Okay, it is a sign to show you, and we shall be seeing a lot of things, a lot of indicators that we the market. Now, apart from where I showed you where you can get information about and then recent news about a certain currency, or is when you come to the TradingView and you find these two things here. These two things here, when you come to them, these two things here, they are also giving information. This one, the first one, which is a zigzag like something, it is giving you latest information about that coin. Now, I want to look at this one where there is a flag. So if I click in it, it is going always to give you fundamental news. You who is in trading, we are having technical analysis, but we have also fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis means they are news that move the financial market. Now, like this one, I am seeing, because the flag that I saw there, it was for America. I see ISM manufacturing PMI. It is going to be read on 1st September at 17 hours. The actual, it is to be understood tomorrow. Then forecast is 47. The previous one is 46. Then we have unemployment rate. Then we have non-farm payrolls. This is the only very important one that we are going to look at tomorrow. We shall be waiting to see what this one is going to come out. These pieces of news, every time they are read, they can influence the market either positively or negatively. So that's why you can be, and then you see the market and you ask yourself, what has happened? I have seen the Bitcoin crashing, dropping very fast. What has happened? Sometimes there are these pieces of news that can as well cause either a strong movement upwards or a strong movement downwards. Okay, I can continue. We have finished that one. We have finished looking at the news. The news part. I want us to look at this. I want us to now focus on this pencil here, where the pencil is. That pen like something. What is in the pen like something? For you who wants to learn how to trade, when every time you click on it, this one, it is going to show you most of the symbols that you will need. Okay, it is going to show you the drawings. If you want to draw the drawings, if you want to draw drawings, it has the measure, it has the zoom in, it has the eraser, it has the lock. If you want what you have put in your chart, you want to lock it, you don't want it to go away, and then the lock is there. It has the magnet, it has the drawing, it has the hide, it has the remove. You can even remove what you have put there. Okay, those are the drawings. Then you can say, there are favorite symbols that I want always to use, and then you put them in the favorites. Now for me, I have the trend line, I have the horizontal ray, I have the horizontal line, vertical line, text, I have the rectangle, I have the price range. We shall understand these ones and what they mean. Okay, I have when I continue down, we are going apart from the favorites, we are going to have the trend lines. The trend lines, we have the trend line, we have the ray, we have the arrow, extended line, horizontal line, vertical line, parallel line, regression trend, joint channel, or everything that you will need to analyze the market perfectly well in order for you to put in a perfect trade. These lines are there. These lines are there. Then we can also say, we can continue and say, I want to look at the Fibonacci. Fibonacci, we shall also read that one. It is Gann and Fibonacci. We have Fibonacci retracement, pitchfork. We have all these shapes that you are seeing here. The market can form them. The market can form them. We shall teach you how to use them. And then one day, one time, you just find that the market has made one of these shapes and you know what to do. Then we can also continue to geometric shapes. I can see the brush. I can see the path, circle, everything, double curve, triangle, rotated rectangle, highlighter. I want to highlight something, I can have it, and then I just come and then I highlight what I want, okay? If I'm tired of it, I just delete, okay? I just delete. Okay, I continue. We continue. I've been showing you. Let's continue. The geometric shapes, the eraser is there. Then we can go to annotations. If you want to make a text, you want to do everything that you want to do in that tool that I am telling you. Everything is in this. If I want to an arrow maker and say, I want to show you people, I want to show you here. I want to first remove these things because we don't need them. Okay. Okay. An arrow, I say, I want to put an arrow. Where has it gone? Okay. These are just the things that you can as well use in your chart to help you do perfect work. Okay. To do perfect work. To do perfect work. To do perfect work. We have the pattern, we have the drives, we have the SARS, we have the long position, short position for those ones who are trading futures. We have the forecast, the date range, the price range, all these ones which are going to learn what they do. What they do. And now for me, most of the most important ones that I use, I styled them, and then they are in my favorites. Let me take a picture, a screenshot of them. Then I'm going to send them in the group so that people can know what they can put in their favorites. Okay, so that people can know what they can put in their favorites. Okay, have we understood that one? If we have understood, go to the chat room and then give me. Last time we had a 2. Now give me a 3. Give me a 3 if you are still following. If you are still following, give me a 3. Give me a 3. Give me a 3 if you are still following. Give me a 3. Give me a 3, because we are almost ending today's lesson. And then tomorrow we shall look at how to draw some of these lines in the TradingView. Especially like yesterday, we studied the support and resistance. Then tomorrow, we shall be looking at how do I draw a support and resistance using those symbols that I have seen in there. Maweje Jacob, Otai, Clive Grant, everyone is saying A3, A3, A3. Thank you so much. 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 You are following. You are following. You are following. You are following. I don't think that we are going to go any further from here. At least we have understood that one. We have seen something. We have seen where we are going to add, the symbols from. And then the time frame, we have seen where it is. And then tomorrow, we are going to be looking at how to add, or how to use those symbols to do something in this chart. How to use some of the symbols that I've talked about, how to use them to do something in the chart. Okay? We have seen the time frame, we have seen the pencil, and then we have understood that when you come to a pair, it has news and then fundamentals, or even when you have just clicked on it, before you go into the details of that pair, you come down, you are going to find there news. You can go to Minds. When you go to Minds, again, there is information there, people. What are the people thinking about a certain coin? Okay. What are people thinking? It is minds, people's minds. Or even you can say ideas. What ideas do people have? And then this one says Bitcoin bull trap of the year. It is a fake pump. And then someone put it there. I don't know when did he put it. And when you come here in the people's ideas, the good thing is they are people's ideas. It might not be true, it might be true, but it is people's ideas, okay? People's ideas. You will always find there interesting things, okay? You will always find there interesting. You'll find there always interesting things. People, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for listening to me this evening. We are already 1 hour. We are already 1 hour, except if you have some questions, I can as well answer. I can answer.